Penn Elcom presents the new R6400 rear hinge frame that turns wall mount enclosures into hinged double-section cabinets. It can easily support the weight of a fully loaded rack and enables it to securely swing away from the wall. This gives installation professionals unrivaled accessibility to the rear of the rack, making it easier than ever to run cables, replace equipment parts, or keep up general maintenance of the rack's contents. Installation is easy. Just check the fixing hole dimensions and pre-drill holes into the wall. Align the wall bracket and mount using suitable M8 fixings. Tilt the wall mount rack leading with the bottom edge. Locate the bottom hooks of the wall bracket and insert them into the wall mount rack's mounting slots. Support the wall mount rack and tilt until level. Slowly slide the rack down until the top hooks of the wall bracket hook into the mounting slots. Secure the wall mount rack to the wall bracket using the screws provided.